Garlic lovers, do try this recipe of Lehsuni Palak Paneer with bold flavor and ready in no time. We start by blanching some fresh spinach in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes until it's soft and tender. Then immediately put the spinach in ice cold water. This step is essential to maintain both the color and the flavor of the spinach. After 2 to 3 minutes, just take out the spinach and squeeze its excess water. Then put it in a grinder to make a fine paste. Next, take some oil or ghee in a pan and shallow fry some paneer pieces from all the sides, tossing them gently, and immediately add these pieces in some lukewarm salted water. Then take some ghee in a pan and heat it on medium heat. Add these whole spices and red whole chillies. Just saute for 30 seconds so that the spices give some aroma, and add chopped onions into it. Saute the onions for 3 to 4 minutes, then add 1.5 spoonful of ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. Mix well and saute again for a minute or two. I just pounded few garlic cloves, 2 inches piece of ginger and 2 green chillies to make this aromatic paste. Next goes in some salt, which will quicken the sauteing process. Just keep mixing everything well, making sure it doesn't stick to the pan. Then goes in 1 cup of tomato puree. Choosing the fresh ingredients makes all the difference in a dish, so I always try and use fresh ingredients. Let's add spices now. Some turmeric, red chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and a very little bit black pepper powder. Mix it all really well and let them cook as well. If it starts to stick to the pan, then add a few teaspoons of water to it. After 2 minutes, add the spinach paste and again mix it nicely. Look at this bright green color of the spinach. We got this color only because we soaked the spinach in ice water, which stopped its further cooking and maintained the bright color. Here I added some water to the same jar in which I made spinach paste and just adding that water in the pan. Why to waste any nutrition, right? Let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes. I covered and cooked it for 2 minutes. Now adding the paneer pieces in the spinach. Soaking these pieces in warm water have made them so soft. Trust me, they won't be chewy at all. Mix it all really well. Don't overcook the dish after adding paneer. Just 1 or 2 minutes is good, and then add 2 spoons of cream and gently mix again. Cream is completely optional here, but it does give a creamy texture to the whole dish. Next step would be adding some crushed black cardamom seeds and Kasoori methi. Don't skip these because these two ingredients take the dish to the next level. Now for the final tadka, I am using some mustard oil, but you can use any oil of choice. Smoke the oil and cook it for a minute, then add chopped garlic and let it cook on low. Also add 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder for that bright color. Let it cook until garlic gets crispy brown and then pour it on the spinach. Do try this dish and leave me a comment.